Meaning of fertile.
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 Fertile. The term fertile refers to the ability of soil, plants, animals, or humans to produce offspring or crops in abundance. A fertile land is rich in nutrients and conducive to agriculture, while a fertile mind is creative and imaginative. In the case of humans, fertility is the capacity to conceive and bear offspring. The result of fertility can be seen in increased productivity, a thriving ecosystem, and a growing population. However, factors such as climate change, pollution, and genetic disorders can threaten fertility, causing negative impacts on both the environment and human health.